Have you ever been shopping and wished you could get some money back on your purchase? Well, with Favepay, you can. Favepay is a cashback app that allows you to earn money back on your everyday purchases. But how do you get your cashback? In this video, I will show you how to get your cashback from Favepay. I will also cover some of the frequently asked questions about Favepay cashback. Step 1. Sign up for Favepay. If you don't already have a Favepay account, you will need to sign up for one. You can do this by downloading the Favepay app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Link your bank card. Once you have signed up for Favepay, you will need to link your bank card. This will allow Favepay to track your purchases and credit your cashback. Step 3. Shop at participating merchants. Favepay has partnered with a number of merchants, so you should be able to find one that you shop at regularly. When you make a purchase at a participating merchant, be sure to use your Favepay card or link your Favepay account to your payment method. Step 4. Check your cashback balance. Once you have made a purchase, you can check your cashback balance in the Favepay app. Your cashback will be credited to your account within a few days. Step 5. Withdraw your cashback. Once your cashback balance has reached RM50 or more, you can withdraw it to your bank account. Frequently asked questions. How do I know if a merchant is participating in Favepay? You can check the list of participating merchants on the Favepay website or app. What is the maximum amount of cashback that I can earn in a day? The maximum amount of cashback that you can earn in a day is RM50. How long does it take for my cashback to be credited to my account? Your cashback will be credited to your account within a few days. Can I withdraw my cashback before it reaches RM50? No, you cannot withdraw your cashback before it reaches RM50. What happens if I delete my Favepay account? If you delete your Favepay account, you will lose any unclaimed cashback. Getting your cashback from Favepay is easy. Just follow the steps above and you will be on your way to earning money back on your everyday purchases. If you are not already using Favepay, I encourage you to sign up today. You will be glad that you did. With that, I hope you have a better understanding of how to get your cashback from Favepay. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.